In this lecture, we are going to see how we can make kalilinux a bootable USB drive. To make kalilinux as a USB bootable drive, we need two things. We need a kalilinux ISO file and we need a software called Rufus that will make our USB bootable. In step 1, download Kali Live ISO from the website. In step 2, download Rufus to make a bootable USB. Choose the portable version to download. Now run Rufus. Select your kalilinux ISO file and USB drive and make it bootable. Once it becomes bootable, plug in your USB in your PC, reboot into USB to boot Kali as live OS. You may need to disable secure boot from BIOS settings. Let's see the actual demonstration. First of all, search for kalilinux and open the official website. Now go to the download page. Scroll down and click on Live Boot option. Here we have 64-bit as well as 32-bit versions available. Just click on 32-bit version and click on download. And click start download. Now search for Rufus. Open the official website. Scroll down and download Rufus portable version. And click start download. Now we have both Kali Live ISO file as well as Rufus downloaded. Execute Rufus program. If it gives some warning, ignore them. Choose your USB drive and then select the ISO file. Navigate where kalilinux ISO has been downloaded and select it. Ensure that partition scheme is selected as MBR and click on start. And now wait for Rufus to complete its task. Once it finishes, you can go into your USB drive and see that we have all the files that we need. Now plug in your USB in your target PC. Open the boot menu by pressing escape or F12 or whatever your system supports and boot into USB drive. Now select to boot Kali as live system. And kalilinux will boot automatically. So in this manner we can install Kali on our USB drive that will be utilized in our future lectures. Thanks for watching the lecture and see you in the next lecture.